I know I'm late. I was supposed to upload this video on Wednesday, but things happen and there's a reason. See over my shoulder here for my returning viewers who watch frequently, you'll notice that my Phantom Pro 3 is missing. And the reason for that is because I bought the DJI Mini 2. I bought the Mini 2, and in this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing and the first flight, well, technically the second flight, of my first flight with this and some of the video from that near a shipwreck where I typically dive. And I don't know, I guess it's time to get turbocharged. As some of you may already know, I'm actually a home inspector by trade, but I also do real estate, video, and photography, typically with drones, cameras, you know, the MLS videos and photography. I do a lot of that. And a number of years ago, or a few years ago, I was using a DJI Phantom Pro 3, which has great image quality. It's very stable in the air. And then the Transport Canada decided that it was time to license drones because some morons, not going to point any fingers, were flying into airplanes with them, and it was causing some catastrophic damage. So now DJI has been able to come out with a drone that meets the Transport Canada guidelines for not requiring a license. And that would be, again, the DJI Mini 2. In this video, I'm going to show you my first flight and unboxing, show you what comes in the box with the DJI Mini 2. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, because here we go. Ooh, some do not eat gel. So as you can see, the video that comes straight out of the drone is not that bad. Now, I did edit it for length. I did add a little bit of stabilization to it. And, well, now it's time for me to tell you whether or not you should or should not buy this. And I'd like you to let me know in the comments below if you're thinking about buying a drone and what purpose you would actually use it for. I'm very interested in that kind of stuff. I was able to find the DJI Mini 2 for $6.99 Canadian, and that works out to about $3 US, right? One of the things I really like about this drone is the size. It literally fits in my pocket or on my Harley with all the parts and takes up very little space. I like the price. With the Fly More package, it allows me almost an hour and a half of flight time. I also like how similar it is to fly compared to the Phantom Pro 3 that I had. What I didn't like was that it's not quite as stable as the Phantom Pro 3. Yet, it's barely noticeable in the video clips. Also, it uses a different app. Why? I like that the mapping system lets you know when you're in restricted airspace and will not let you take off when you're close to an airport. I like that I'm able to fly again, and I'm going to use this for roof inspections and get back to drone videos for real estate. I like that there's no license required because it's under 250 grams. I did buy an extra add-on for the drone so that I can use a bigger tablet screen and see what's happening on my screen better. My overall opinion of the DJI Mini 2? I love it. I will be doing more videos with this DJI Mini 2 and some tutorials, so if you aren't yet subscribed, this would be a good time to do that. Click into this playlist right here, and of course, check out some of my other videos starting with this one. I'm Turbo the Tech Nerd. Turbo out.